Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kosher wine. Producing kosher wine involves strict adherence to Jewish dietary laws, known as kashrut. This means that from the moment the grapes are picked, only Sabbath-observant Jews are permitted to handle them and the resulting wine. Every ingredient, including yeast and fining agents, must also be certified kosher. The process begins with carefully selected grapes, ensuring they are free of any non-kosher treatments. The harvesting and initial crushing of the grapes are exclusively carried out by Sabbath-observant Jewish individuals. Before any grapes touch the equipment, all machinery, tanks, and tools must undergo a meticulous cleaning and koshering process to ensure they meet the strict dietary standards. During fermentation, only kosher-certified yeast and other approved additives are used. Throughout this critical stage, and indeed until the wine is sealed, it must remain untouched by anyone who is not Sabbath-observant. This continuous supervision ensures the wine's kosher status. Even the barrels or tanks used for aging must be certified kosher before use. There are two main types of kosher wine, mevashel and non-mevashel. Mevashel wine is flash pasteurized, which means it can be handled by anyone after opening without losing its kosher status. Non-mevashel wine, however, requires strict handling by observant Jews even after the bottle is opened. The final bottling and sealing are always performed under continuous rabbinic supervision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.